What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
I have this habit of completing the easiest or the written homework first because it just helps me somehow, and then I move on to the harder one. So I was completing English first. Moving on to SST, I was doing chapter 1 in civics. Chapter 1 from history and geography is already completed in our school, and this chapter is currently ongoing. If you guys are interested in knowing which teachers I'll be following, not religiously, in ninth, then I have uploaded a vlog, a previous vlog of mine. I've shared that in that very vlog of mine, so you can watch that if you want to. This is a random opinion of mine that class 9 civics NCRT is not giving because it is giving lame, being lame, intentionally lame, and miserably failing at it. Let me know your views in the comments because my classmates too felt the same. By 5 p.m., I was done with the homework of other subjects, so I was doing maths here, and we didn't got any homework in maths, but I had to complete my yesterday's homework. We have to follow 3 reference books, and it is mandatory. All of those 3 are mandatory. So I was doing the last one, which is of a private publication. So it took approximately 1 hour because there were 50 or 70 questions, I suppose. So it took a lot of time, quite a lot of time. So yeah. If you're wondering that why am I sounding like a fatawar DJ, then the reason is it's me and my sore throat against the whole world. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस में भी मेरा गला ख़राब हो चुका है, और वो आई होप जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा क्योंकि मेरे को बोलने में दिक्कत बहुत आ रही है. एक्चुअली बहुत नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिक्कत आ रही है, पर इसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते आई सपोज. हाँ, थोड़े 2-3 दिनों में ठीक हो ही जाएगा. It's now 7 p.m. and by this time I complete my homework, and then after I'll do the other stuff which I want to do, apart from studying or self study or something. So I start early so I can finish early. Yeah, that's literally what I do. I want to tell you guys about this. It is all over the internet, I suppose. It is actually very popular, and I'm a person who gets influenced very quickly. When I say it, I mean it's very rare that I actually go by it. And I wanted this since a very long time. I wanted a lip gloss, and it's Mass Lip Drip, Lip Mist, whatever. And Pumelo Drip. I didn't wanted this shade. I wanted something more lighter, but my mom just ordered it without asking which shade I want. And then, oh my god, my hairs, they're so frizzy. I have to wash them, but I do not know when should I wash them. Maybe on Sunday. Brown girls things. So I wanted to get a lighter shade so that it would be more outgoing and cheerful. Like, yeah, I wanted something like that because I didn't have that and I wanted that. But this is really red. This is really deep. It's not something which I wanted. But you cannot return used products. So I have to keep it. And it's not I hate it, it's somewhere in the middle. And it also smells, it doesn't smell good. It smells like some kind of medicine, like a cough syrup or something, worse than that. It smells really bad, like a medicine. Yeah, the smell is bad. I have also tasted it. it tastes bad too. And like it smells bad and it tastes bad, and I don't know what, I do not like the shade. Well, the shade thing is my problem. I should have bought strawberry drip or peachy drip. If you're thinking to buy it, then I think you can if you do not have problem with those. Just be mindful about what shade you're picking. And this is really out of the box to insert this in an after school vlog. Very absurd, I know, but it's something that I wanted to show you guys. Also, I'm really sorry I'm uploading after a month, after a long month, and I've lost 2 subscribers, actually 3 subscribers. And that's just so embarrassing. Like, what do? I just do not have the motivation to do anything. I'm just too lazy for it. But I'll try. I said this in my previous video too, but I couldn't keep up with it. And I'm saying it again, and hopefully, you'll not see me saying this again after a month. So, like, this is so embarrassing, I know. But yeah, if you're still here, then, like, I love you from the bottom of my heart. If you enjoyed this video, then do subscribe to the channel because you'll be seeing more such content. And yeah, do whatever you guys know what to do, right? So I'm gonna just end this vlog now. So yeah, bye, I guess. Yeah, bye. I said this 4 times, I'll say it again. Bye.